Lesson 37. Level B1. B1 Plus. It's high time. It's high time, too. Story 1.
Lorenzo, 37 years old, Italy. It's high time to make peace with my brother Roberto. We haven't talked to each other for over 6 months because of one stupid fight. The most absurd thing is that I don't even remember precisely what we argued about. We are both very stubborn, and neither of us has apologized since then. It's high time I finally made the first move and reached out to him. I can't let this incident ruin our relationship and separate us for good. I rarely talk about my emotions, but I must admit that I miss him and his family. It's high time we treated each other like brothers again. It's high time to remind him that we are not enemies. I hope that he won't act like a child, and he'll accept my apology. It's high time we ended this pointless conflict.
Story 2.
Elena, 26 years old, Bulgaria. It's high time my cousin Sarah took care of her physical and mental health. She has been eating loads of junk food lately, and she hasn't been getting enough sleep. She used to be very active and bubbly, and now she clearly lacks energy and enthusiasm. It's high time she stopped poisoning herself and took proper rest. I'm saying this because I'm seriously worried about her. I want her to get her energy back and be the happy Sarah that I know and love. When we saw each other last Tuesday, she confessed that one of her colleagues had made some nasty comments about her weight a few times. It's high time she reported it to the HR team. No one should ever comment on other people's weight. It's high time somebody punished this guy for his unacceptable behavior. Maybe next time he will think twice before saying anything.
Story 3.
Jacob, 18 years old, USA. It's high time to decide what I want to do in the future. I'm graduating from high school in a few weeks, and I still haven't applied to any colleges. It's crazy that I'm forced to make such an important choice at 18 years old. My parents expect me to study veterinary medicine or law, but I'm not interested in either of these two careers. They both seem too challenging for me. It's high time my mom and dad understood that they couldn't decide for me. It's high time I stopped caring so much about their expectations. I have asked 2 of my friends for advice so far, but it has confused me even more. It's high time I stop listening to other people's opinions and listen to my intuition instead. I've always enjoyed writing and getting to know people, so journalism is probably the best option.
The end of Lesson 37.